Hi everyone, this is Brent Downey from adminhero.com, and I wanted to show you how to adjust and modify your navigation menu in Lightning Experience. Now this is as of Winter 16, and I expect that this will change as we see additional releases of Salesforce, so be aware of that as you are watching this video. Now, the menu bar on the left-hand side does not actually follow the app structure that you have in place in Salesforce Classic. So with the apps in Salesforce Classic, you can determine the tabs that are available to users and then assign those apps appropriately. That's not the case with the current edition of Salesforce Lightning Experience. And so what you see here on the left-hand side are the tabs that are available in the current navigation menu. And this is something that you'll need to customize for your users based on their profile in order for them to really get the most out of Lightning Experience. So let me show you how to do that. What I'm going to do is click on the gear icon here in the upper right-hand corner, and then I'm going to click on Setup Home. So this takes me to the new Setup menu in Lightning Experience. Now on the left-hand side, I'll use the quick find, and I'm going to type in navigation or NAV to start. And you can see navigation menus that comes up, which is actually under the apps menu. So I'm going to click on navigation menus. And just like the apps in Salesforce Classic, you can create any number of navigation menus and assign them by profile. Now it's important to note that in the current version of Lightning Experience, users cannot be assigned multiple apps and then choose from those apps. And so what I'm going to do first is click on New in the upper right hand corner. And then we're going to give the app a name. So I'm going to actually create this for Admin Hero, and I'm going to call it Admin Hero Menu. Now I'm doing this because I actually already have an app named Admin Hero, and the API name can't be the same, or the developer name. So we're going to call it Admin Hero Menu, and then I'm going to click on the Next button to proceed to the next screen. Now it's on this screen that I'm going to add the various elements that I want to award to the user, the system admin in this case. And so what I'll do is go through the available items and then add them to the navigation menu items. And just like a multi-select pick list, I can either select the item and add it, or I can drag and drop. So for example, I want to add calendar, I'll drag and drop it over here. So we'll go ahead and add those items and then we'll proceed. Okay, so I've added all my navigation menu items. It's important to note that once you have these items listed, you can actually arrange them by just dragging and dropping them into the right order. You also want to make sure that because users can't choose the menu items that they prefer, that you apply the appropriate items based on how the users provide their feedback. So be aware of that as you're creating these menus. We'll click on Next, and now we're going to assign the profile. So again, we're just going to drag and drop, and system admin is the only one that matters in my developer org. Of course, if you're doing a sales specific navigation menu, you'd want to make sure that just your sales profiles are awarded here as it makes sense. We're going to click on Save and Finish. And now this Admin Hero menu is readily available, so system admins are going to see this right away, but you'll notice that I don't see it here. So my left-hand navigation menu has not changed to reflect the new menu structure that we've added. Any new admins that are logging in and navigating will see that, but for me to see it, I need to refresh my, my browser, and then we'll see that the new menu has been applied on the left-hand side. So here we go. And just like that, I've got my new navigation menu. So that's adding and creating navigation menus in the new Salesforce Lightning Experience as of Winter 16.